Tingnan niyo kung ano bigay sa akin ni Lady Girl for Valentine's Day.
Wow!
Oh my gosh! Okay, why blue?
Because Mama's favorite type of flowers, the color to get, it's so heavy, right?
It
is
is.
blue. And usually it's hard to find two-tone na blue. If
I
ever it's dark blue, then with
know.
white accent, or light blue with, I don't know, another color. Pink,
Yeah.
mga ganun. So I asked for two tones, and then I forgot what you call this.
Angel's Breath.
No,
Oh,
letter
it's not.
G, letter G.
Jeep.
Comment down
There.
below, nalimutan
Yes,
ko.
yes.
Pero it's
Oo.
a very popular filler.
Yeah,
filler
so it's
plant.
not Angel's Breath pala.
No, and then
It
I
looks
got
like
eucalyptus,
eucalyptus,
because naalala
yes.
ko na I made kwento sa mga vendors in Dangwa na you always put eucalyptus sa banyo para it smells good.
Yeah.
They also chose yung